Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of changing your monitor's refresh rate in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side. Within the System section, select Display. You will then need to scroll down the Display Settings page. Look for and select the option labeled Advanced Display. Here, you will find the refresh rate setting, allowing you to choose from the available options for your monitor. You can also explore the option for a dynamic refresh rate. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.